In today's video, I am going to teach you how to check what version of Microsoft Excel you have. This is a quick process and it is useful if you need to confirm which edition of Excel is installed on your computer. Knowing your version can help when you are following tutorials, checking compatibility with certain features, or troubleshooting an issue. Start by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can open a blank workbook or an existing file. Either one will work for this. Once Excel is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open the main menu where Excel stores account details, settings, and program information. From there, look down the left-hand side of the screen for the Account option and click on it. In many versions of Excel, this appears near the bottom of the navigation pane. If you already have a workbook open and you do not immediately see Account, check under the More menu. In some cases, you may also find the information under Help, depending on the version of Excel you are using. The layout can look slightly different from one release to another, but the information you need will still be in this general area. After you open the Account section, move your attention to the right side of the screen. Look for the Product Information section. This is where Excel shows the version details for your installation. The product name tells you which release or suite you have. For example, it may say Microsoft 365, Excel 2021, or Excel 2019. This helps you identify the main version of the software that is installed. You should also look for the About Excel area. This section gives you more specific technical details. It usually includes the exact build number, the version sequence, and whether your copy of Excel is the 32-bit or 64-bit version. That information can be especially helpful if you are installing add-ins, comparing feature availability, or following support instructions. Take a moment to read through those details carefully so you know exactly which version you have. Once you have found the product name and the About Excel information, you have everything you need. That covers everything you need to know.